overhead shrug. I'm using a PVC pipe as my dowel. When I get set up, a couple things to think about in terms of hand position, trunk position relative to each other. I like to go feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, allows me to engage my glutes a little bit better to prevent me arching through my low back. I like to get my hands slightly outside of shoulder width, and we're coming into this overhead position. Now from here, I'm gonna reach as high toward the ceiling as possible. Again, keeping my glutes engaged to prevent the compensation into my low back. If you are feeling excessive tension in your low back, check to see if you are engaged and in a neutral spine position. Hands slightly wider, reaching toward the ceiling, and then coming back down. So we're going after your upper trap in this position. Many people will do dumbbell shrugs as a trap exercise. Context matters. The upper trap is used as an upward rotator of your scapula. So we're putting your arms in an overhead position so the scapula is upwardly rotated, and then we're trying to facilitate a little bit of an external load. We want you to add load when you are able to actually go through a full range of motion. Many people have a hard time controlling their shoulder blades in this overhead position. The dowel is a really easy place to progress this versus a dumbbell. Many people try to do this with a dumbbell, which is too heavy. So I can take a 10-pound or a 5-pound change plate, slide it onto the PVC pipe, go through the same setup, same motion, knees slightly bent, hands outside shoulder width. Then I'm gonna reach as high up as possible without cheating through my low back. And again, just another simple way to scale or progressively overload the motion.